Alright everyone, so today for What's New Wednesday is TylerThomasBeauty. So I got their collection of some of their makeup, magnetic eyelashes, and some contact lenses. So I'm just going to go over right now what I have. The first is the TylerThomasBeauty Brow Perfecting Brush and Pencil. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's a little triangle, that's how much product you get. And then on the other end is the little spoolie for the brush. This product is the Ultra Defining Eyeliner. So this is a very sleek container. I love the packaging. And for the tip is my favorite because it is the felt tip brush. So it gives that very nice, fine, precise line that you want when you're doing your winged eyeliner or just any detail work in general. And it's very easy to control. Next, I have the TylerThomasBeauty Magnetic Lashes in the Flirtatious Look. So the packaging is really cute. It's magnetic, of course, as you guys can see. And the eyelashes stick to a magnetic board on the back so they don't fall out or move around. But there are the little magnets that are on them. I failed miserably trying to put them on, so yeah, not even gonna do that. Not even gonna try. They're very hard to put on. The main thing that I really liked is the contact lenses. So what I got is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys now putting them on. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna pop on these contact lenses now so you guys can see what they look like and the difference between my brown eyes and the contact lenses and see how well they work on brown eyes and how strong of a color they are. I haven't worn these yet. They've been sitting in solution just to get rid of all the bacteria that might be on them. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these puppies on. They are the Glam Grey. So I'm really excited to try them on and see what it looks like on my eye and if it actually hides the brown on my eye. Because everyone knows that contact lenses are rough when you have brown eyes. So, whoops. It just curled right up, didn't it? There we go. Dip it back in the solution, get rid of any fuzzies. There we go. Now I'm picking it up with my little tweezers that I have. And I'm popping it onto my little silicone thing so I make sure that it is on there correctly and it's good to go. As you guys know, I've got fingernails, so it gets kind of tough to put them on my eye. So I really prefer these little things that I just picked up on Amazon to hold on to them and pick them out of the jar. So I don't damage them. It's actually quite nice. So here we go. We're going to pop this guy in and see the difference. If it's going to go on. And it folded on my eye. That's fantastic. Sorry if it makes it. I'm going to try the other eye. Let's try the other eye. God, these are big. There we go. Woo! Okay, so we got one. I like to close my eye and just give it like a little wiggle around to make sure it's in the right place. Ooh, that's creepy. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys up close what this lens looks like right now. So as you can see here, brown eye. And then the Glam Grey eye color. Looks pretty sweet. Let's get up close. Let's really show you guys what this lens looks like, okay? So there is the Glam Grey compared to my natural brown eye. It actually covers the color quite well. I'm actually like really happy with it. Like look at that. Look how pretty that is. It took forever. Now that my eyes are super red and annoyed. Alrighty, so close my eyes, let them adjust. Fan them off just a little. I don't know why, but like fanning them off just seems to help me calm down and makes my eyes less red. There it is. So there is both contact lenses in for the Glam Grey. Let's get up close and show you guys. What do you guys think? Do you like them? Do you think it's a good color? Good cover? I actually think it like hides my brown eyes really well, which is something that I really like in a contact lens, because like if you want to have blue eyes, you got to find like a super strong pigmented blue contact in order for your eyes to actually show, if you know what I mean. So I actually really like the color payoff of the Iris Beauty Glam Grey contact lenses. Yeah, I like them. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. That's like super important, so you don't miss any videos that I put up. I've got a couple more planned before Halloween, so keep an eye out for that, as well as I've got a video up this Friday. Super excited about it. Full makeup tutorial. Be excited. Be very excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.